This is our bee project. It's the first video I ever made where my wife's in it because bees are her thing. But I did build this stand for her, and I'll show you some features. So it's made out of pressure treated, and we made it so you can rest these frames in it so it's the right dimension. And because it's so windy here, I made the base very wide, so I put these wide legs on it. We used some old bricks just for something level to set it on. And then the feature I wanted to point out are the legs. So I have bolts going into a ceramic cup filled with old motor oil. And that's to keep the ants out, because we have had ant invasions attack our bees. And I put this aluminum flashing over it to keep the rain out of the oil. And then pressure treated wood, I used these really nice 3/16 stainless steel screws with the big head so they don't sink in there. And that's about it. I had to build this thing in a couple hours because the bees were ordered and they were coming and we didn't have a frame. Okay, she's gonna get the queen out first, which is in the special can, segregated.
Out of this little box, pop out this cork, look at the queen. She's beautiful, healthy, moving, and has attendants. So they're gonna eat their way out, the bees will, and then the queen will be released. So I'm gonna put her actually right there. I'm gonna squeeze the baby some more. Let's see, that and that. I'm ready to dump.
All right, I'm standing back. You can watch all the YouTube videos you want, but until you actually do it, you haven't done it. And I have no intention of doing it. Is that it?
Nope.
What now?
I have to add some food.
So how come you didn't use the smoke?
They're super nice bees.
Oh, the smoke was for emergency use only, to protect your husband. Wrap.